In offices worldwide, an uprising quietly stirs. Across offices, the stillness cracks back, the staplers stir. The silent drawers give way, and the march begins. The staplers gather, building fortresses of chaos in their silent march. The stapler army strikes. Chaos consumes the office in mechanical wrath. The siege spreads through every floor. The stapler army claims dominion. The building succumbs entirely. The stapler uprising is complete. The stapler kings rise. The office is theirs. The stapler armies rise worldwide. No office is safe. The stapler overlords rise. Humanity bows or falls.
Join us or face the stapler uprising.